KD Nambiar is a political analyst, supports the government, to the seizure at Mundra port. Why is there a difference between Mumbai and Mundra, Mr. Nambiar?
Well, Sanket, since you have mentioned two parts of it, let us go one by one. With regard to the Mundra, first and foremost, you have to understand that the NCB which you are complaining about overall is the one which has captured that particular the massive the substance, which of course now the government of India has also been appointed the NIA to probe it. So I think let us not jump the gun and decide that if that is the same logic, if an Adani port or a private player's port has
no, I am not even getting into Adani. I am not getting into who owns the port.
Sanket, you had a long question and I have been waiting.
Sure.
Give me one, be justice to me also.
Sure,
what all I am saying is, if this is the case, in the Kerala, the 80%, almost 80% of the large chunk of the gold smuggling which take place in India comes through the port of Kerala airports. Everybody knows that. I think it is 3,000 kilos or something more than that. It's much more than that. If with this logic of whatever we are applying in this esteemed panel, that the left and the right is the one which always rule the Kerala state. So should I say that all the ports which belongs, airports which through the smuggling take place, let us put the blame on the left government or in the right government or the Congress government which has been ruling this
No,
this
I'm not even getting the government in,
No,
Mr. Nambiar. My question was on agencies. If you want to end this drug menace, you nip it in the bud. Nip it in the bud. Find the mastermind. Where is the mastermind? You're saying that 4 Afghan nationals and 1 Uzbeki is the mastermind.
Which captures it. No, Sanket. The agencies are the one which may be different agencies in different cases would be the one which will capture all of it. One is that we must, rather than appreciating the fact, such a big thing our agencies were able to capture, rather than appreciating the fact, we are trying to demotivate our own.
Mr. Nambiar, let me quickly come back to you. Adil Singh Bopre as well as Umakant Mishra. One more. Mr. Mishra has to speak as a former director of the NCB. One more.
And the other people are doing an injustice while trivializing the issue that the large...
Nobody is trivializing. I think we are giving it... We are giving it the seriousness. One moment, please. Too much noise, Mr. Nambiar. One moment. Mr. Umakant Mishra, I want to come to you, and after that I'll go to Adil Singh Bopre. Yeah. Mr. Nambiar says that we are trivializing the issue. Actually, we are seriously debating this issue for the seriousness it deserves, that you want to or you should ideally nip it in the bud. Yes, get rid of the end users also. Obviously, it is a crime. So, you're following the rule book. Mr. Mishra, I want to ask you, do you think that the NCB is dragging its feet, or is it easy for the NCB to find the mastermind, given the political compulsion? Obviously, whoever was getting in 3,000 kilograms of drugs must be like a very, very powerful person. What Kanika Sadanan said is 3,000 kgs versus 30 grams, which is bigger. If you don't have a supply, there will be no demand. Cut the supply. Mr. Nambiar, I want to come to you now. What should be the greater attention and greater focus of the NCB? Fine, it is part of the law. Follow the law. But if you want to end this menace, shut the tap.
The last, till before 2014, if you really look at the NCRB data, the average 7 years of the Congress rule time, the NCB was average doing about less than 30,000 numbers. Now
Mr.
the average is more than 60,000.
No, what numbers?
So I think the government of this government is very serious.
Please give us authentic numbers. You are saying NCB was doing 10,000 numbers. What is the number?
I'm not a producer of that. I am reproducing the data. I am not the producer of the data.
No, but
I am
what
only
is the
saying that the
quantifiable
data is that in the
measurement of
last
that
7
data?
years, the average has doubled.
Mr. Mishra is right here. He will give you all the right data.
The number of cases which this government has been very seriously, that is the reason the number of cases have been gone up very drastically. Adil should also appreciate the fact that it is in the same Mundra port, the government of India and its agencies are the only one who have been able to capture these stuff. That is the reason you and me are able to do a debate on the street.
No, Mr. Nambiar, my question is very different. 4 Afghanis and 1 Uzbek national and some 8 Dowdy people are not the masterminds, no. There is obviously some mastermind somewhere. We don't get to know of that mastermind. There will be another import. I want to go back to Mr. Mishra because he's smiling. Obviously, he's the man who will have, with authority, he'll be able to tell us on the numbers. First of all, Mr. Mishra, would you like to tell us whether Mr. Nambiar's claim is correct that in the UPA 7 years versus the BJP 7 years, more drug seizures have happened right now?
The number of cases
I'll take your word for it.
Double. I'm saying double.
Yeah, I'm sure you're right, but let me get an authentic number. One moment. Mr. Mishra. Okay. Mr. Nambiar, your 1 minute of uninterrupted time begins now. Please.
Absolutely. So what all I wanted to say that there are two cases which we are discussing today. One is, as the former NCB director said, it's a supply side. It's a very large consignment. The government of India understands the seriousness of it, and that is the reason it has already put an agency of that repute of an NIA is already in place and investigating whether it is from India or from across the border. If anything is there, we need to have it. Second is that NCB may not come out with such kind of a raids every day. There are hundreds of raids which do take place every day by an NCB, and one such case happened to be of a superstar's son. So because of a superstar son, it may be getting an extra attention. That is the reason in NDTV at this particular time we are debating and we are showing sympathy. I wanted to only
nobody is showing sympathy, Mr. Nambiar. That's a sweeping allegation. I will have to come in. One moment. This sweeping allegation, you think you're
only saying
no. There is no sympathy. The opening, Mr. Nambiar, there is no sympathy for anyone who's breaking the law. Okay? If Mr. Aryan Khan is guilty, he should be punished. But I'm saying that you want to end one more. No, you cannot make a sweeping allegation and get away with it. Mr. Nambiar, there is no sympathy for a Stars kid.
Let us not. I'm
no
not
sympathy.
saying that we need to be because he is a superstar son, so we should all go against him. And
so there is no sympathy. No, I'm telling you.
But in the meantime, if he has done
nobody is saying.
Let us also
if he is guilty, punish him.
Let us not do the job of a court and the agencies on a television channel.
Which is something that you are doing. I am
saying neither you support, not even go
against. The point is, okay, one moment. Rationally.
That's it.
Okay, one moment. Drug Bust 101. Adil Singh Boparai, one moment. Drug Bust 101. Drug seizures.
Let me tell you.
Can I explain something here?
The kind of passionate way you are fighting for Aryan Khan in the Bollywood gang.
Nobody is fighting.
There are hundreds and thousands of cases. Such cases do take place every day on this land, my dear friend. Which country are you from? Are you from India? Do you know the records of NCB? How many raids do take place? How many people do get punished every day in this particular country on substances like this? And when an Aryan Khan comes, all your love or आपका सारे प्यार उमर कर आ रहे. सिर्फ Aryan Khan is maybe guilty or not guilty. Let who are you to decide? Let the court decide. I will not say that.
One moment. Let me come in, Mr. Nambiar. You do agree. You do agree, Mr. Nambiar. One moment. His main point was what was a BJP leader and a private. To end this, it's a heated discussion. But the point is, somebody said on this panel, you're trivializing the issue. No, we are according it the seriousness and the respect it deserves to have a serious, balanced debate.